Naisip mo na ba kung paano nagagawa ng power couple na si Cheska at Dog Kramer na maging matagumpay at buo ang kanilang pamilya? Kung gusto malaman sikreto, eto na, i-reveal ko na sa inyo. Alam nyo ba na si Cheska at si Dog Kramer, kilala natin bilang celebrity couple at influencer, pero hindi alam ng karamihan, sila po ay nag-umpisa sa wala. Oo, nakausap ko si Dog Kramer at ito ang kanyang sinabi. I know how you started. Nagre-rent lang kayo.
Yeah, we started. In other words, wala pa kaming pera. But I wanted to. Cheska was my answered prayer. And even though I knew that we'd probably have a hard time, but I trusted in the Lord that He would provide for our needs.
Even though they were celebrity, but they went through common struggles just like you and me, diba? Pero anong ginamit po nila? Ang ginamit po nila talaga yung determination at tamang diskarte.
For me lang, I think anybody can be successful if you put the time and effort, dedication and discipline. Anybody, I'm telling you, if you just put the time.
Baka hindi sa kita ang issue. Baka sa diskarte. Ang Yayamanin Collection ni Chinky Tan ay may gabay para matutunan mong hawakan at palaguin ang iyong pera. May step-by-step guide ito na tutulong sa'yo. Magplano, mag-budget, magnegosyo at magpalaki ng savings. Type Yaman 1